Hello, this is Nate from CloudNexum. Today, I'm going to show you a little demo about Amazon Nova, a new generation of state-of-the-art foundation models that deliver frontier intelligence and industry-leading price performance, available exclusively in Amazon Bedrock. To start using Amazon Nova, let's navigate to your AWS console and search for Amazon Bedrock. Go into the search bar, type Bedrock, and select Amazon Bedrock from the list. Before using it, we will need to enable it. In the left menu, scroll to the bottom and click on Model Access. There, you'll see an orange button labeled Enable All Models. I'm going to click there and search for Nova. Then, I will select all Nova models delivered by Amazon. Once all models are selected, I'll click Next and fill out the form with my company data. After that, let's click Next again and submit it. Make sure to stay in the North Virginia region, which is labeled US East, North Virginia, at the top right of your screen. Now that we have enabled our model, let's navigate to the left menu and click on Playgrounds, followed by Image Video. Let's select a Nova reel and start experimenting with it. As you know, this is the logo we use at CloudNexum. Let's use Amazon Nova to see if we can create something interesting from this prompt. Go to the prompt section, use this one to begin experimenting, and click Run. Let's wait a few minutes for the video preview to generate. After a few moments, we'll have our results. Let's see how it looks. Wow! Let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you for watching this informative video, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.